So, hey guys, welcome to Virtual Tuition, and in this video, we're gonna learn present perfect continuous tense. So, let's start with this definition so we could be clear what's going on in this video. Used for actions, present perfect continuous tense is used for actions that started in the past and are ongoing or have just recently stopped in the present. It's formed with the present tense of to, have, has. It's formed with have and has and plus been and with the base form of the main verb with ing added. And present perfect continuous meaning is the actions that were started in the past and are ongoing or just have recently stopped in the present. This is the meaning of perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So let's see how it is formed clearly. It's formed with the present tense of have and has, the word been added, and the base form of the main verb with ing added. So let's see the example so we could be clear. She has been studying for hours. So she has recently stopped her actions in the present. She started his studying uh, hours ago, hours before, and she stopped it recently in the present. And how it is formed is has been, and the base form of the main verb study plus ing added. So this is how our present perfect continuous is formed and meaning of it. This is the end of the video, so I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.